Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use keyframes in CapCut PC in 2025 step by step. Now keyframes are what makes your videos move. They are the secret behind the smooth animations, zooms and transitions. So once you understand the keyframes, your edits will look way more professional. So here is how you can do it exactly in your CapCut PC. First of all, you need to launch your CapCut PC application, then select the new project. Afterwards, you need to simply import the video file over here, then drag and drop your file in the timeline just like so. Make sure that your file is selected in order to add the keyframes. Afterwards, simply go to the basic section. Here you will find this diamond icon, which is the option of adding the keyframes. So here, first of all, you need to select the position of your video where you want to add your first keyframe. So let's say I've selected this one. After that, click on the option of add keyframe. Now, if you see this type of diamond icon, it simply means that we have successfully added our keyframe. Now you will have to move the cursor and select the position where you want to add the second keyframe. So here, as you can see, I have selected it over here. Similarly, just do the same thing again and select the cursor and paste it where you want to add the keyframes. Now, as you can see in this particular video, I have added 3 different keyframes. Now here, if I go back to the second keyframe and if I select it, it is going to turn blue. And once it is turned blue, you can add the motions over here. So for the motions, I'm going to be scaling it and positioning it just like so. So here the final output is going to look something like this. As you can see, it is just zoomed out and zoom in. So this way you will be able to start using keyframes in CapCut PC in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.